we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Replacement of BMW N43 engine mounts. If the customer complains about vibrations in operation that increase with the engine speed, this may be the cause. In this situation, we have a BMW 1 Series with N43 engine. Remove the motor shield. Loosen the nuts of the engine mount. These are the motor supports, the fixing screws, and the vacuum hose. Replace the engine mount on the left side. Remove the vacuum hose. Remove the fixing screws. Use a special device to lift the engine. Remove the used mount. The new engine mount is manufactured by Cortico and has part number 80001232. The mounts are identical on both sides. Mount the new engine mount. Tighten the fixing screws. For the right engine mount, remove the exhaust support. Remove the fixing screws. And the vacuum hose. Lift the engine. Use a pry bar to release the bracket screw. Remove the anti-vibration element. Place the new support in the working position. Tighten the fixing screws. Leave the engine on the engine mounts. Install the anti-vibration element. Tighten the upper nuts of the engine mounts. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order, do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.